A tornado is pure chaos. It destroys everything in its way with crazy fast winds and loud noise. But in the middle of this violence, something strange happens. Today, we are looking at the eye of tornado.
A tornado is chaos. Winds that can exceed 300 kilometers per hour. Debris flying like shrapnel. A roar so loud that survivors describe it as a freight train passing directly over their heads. But at the center of this violence, there is a place where everything stops. The eye of a tornado is a region of relative calm at the storm's center. It is typically 50 to 100 meters wide, though larger tornadoes can have eyes up to 2 kilometers in diameter. Inside the eye, the air pressure is so low that it can cause your ears to pop. The temperature drops, the wind stops, and the roar disappears entirely. Survivors of tornadoes often describe the moment the eye passes over as surreal and deeply unsettling. One survivor from the 2011 Joplin tornado said the noise stopped completely, and for a brief moment, there was an eerie, unnatural stillness. Another described it as being inside a vacuum. The quiet was so loud it hurt my ears. The eye is a paradox. It is the calmest part of the storm, yet it is surrounded by the most violent weather on Earth. When the eye passes over, you might be tempted to think it is over, but it is not. The back wall of the tornado is approaching, and it can be just as destructive as the front. Some tornadoes have been known to produce the strongest winds on the side opposite the original impact zone. The low pressure inside the eye is so intense that it can create a significant temperature drop, often 10 to 15 degrees Celsius colder than the surrounding storm air. This temperature difference, combined with the extreme pressure gradient, plays a key role in sustaining the tornado's intensity. For those who have experienced it, the silence of the eye is something they never forget. It is a moment suspended between destruction and more destruction, a pause that gives you time to see clearly, to breathe, and to wonder how the world can be so still while all around it is being torn apart. The calm of the eye is also a warning. If you are in a tornado and suddenly everything goes quiet, you are not safe. You have only a few seconds or minutes before the storm resumes. Stay sheltered, stay low. The silence is not the end, it is the middle. The eye of a tornado is a reminder that even the most violent forces in nature have a center of stillness. But that stillness is deceptive. It is not peace, it is a pause. A breath before the storm continues. And in that breath, you are the only thing moving.